Then it's gonna have a lot of explaining to do.
Yo, it was a beautiful Thursday, sun beaming through my window pane. Then a strange rush of emotion awoke me. I squint and strained to focus. Then I noticed in every blanket a tainted feeling filled my being. Life walked me on yo-yo string, instinct beckoning me to call my lady to converse. But the responses in the teletalk stalked the chalk outline of my heart. Plan surprise visit, get to the door, listen before knock. Hear a voice laughing with your voice. I wonder who's the visitor. I knock and listen for feet pitter-patter to the peephole. Scatter away, youthful cat opens doors to say she's not there. Now that's rare. I think, but I tell her ill came by. I could tell the lie was killing him through his transparent eyes, walking away from the domain. My thought plane takes flight, idea after idea floating, cause the happenings don't feel right. So I grab the cell, dial the digits, say hello. She says, hi, that was my cousin. I was in the shower when you came by. I was like, why'd he say you weren't there? I don't know, but where you at? I'm going to hit the store for some cigarettes, but I'll be back. Gave the dial tone, but it still doesn't sit well. So I light the tip of my Camel, then inhale. Back at the crib by and she's getting ready to bounce. I'm like, where you going? To see my aunt that just had a kid I told you about. Cool, how long you gonna be? Just an hour, what? You coming back to see me? She was hoping I'd say no, but I said yes to cause some stress. We exchanged kisses, I love you. She jets and I chill, cause I can't dismiss this discontentment I feel. Parking a spot, cloaked by the dog, 20 minutes skip on the clock. She comes back, the shock beats my chest, anger fills the rest of me. Regretfully, I go to a door knock and get no answer. Evil's eating away at my sanity like mind cancer. So I run to a balcony, look in the window and explode. Some cat with his lips touching the beauty that I behold. By this time I lost my sanity, climb up on a 6-foot balcony. Love and hate combined by some weird type alchemy. She sees me, stands there shocked and scared. She was frostbitten by the ice grill of my stare. Dude bounces, she tries to explain, make sense of the lies. The pain of my words inflict burst the heart. She starts to cry, thinking of ways of revenge. Her tears encourage the rage. Internally, I'm an animal ready to shatter my cage. She comes for a hug, I tense up, flooding my shirt with pain. Looks up with ducks busted, quietly says my name. Sits me down on the couch, kisses my neck, unzips my pants. Thinking of ways to take revenge, and she opens the chance. Hit it for a nice amount of time, made her come for miles and miles. Put up my pants with no words, hit the door, look back and smile.
Oh, snap. Yeah, that was kinda ill, wasn't it? Very ill. Yo, she ran okie doke on you, though.
Yeah, it was wild, I had me doing all kind of things.
With the flim flam, had you on the balcony. Bugging out,
that
yo.
was mad crazy, but yo, I got my point across.
Them shorties, though, man. Don't let them get to you, son. Let it stress you. Gotta watch it.
Yeah, exactly. But I ain't gonna let them stress me out.
It's just a lesson in love.
That's all it is.
It's just a lesson in love. It's just a lesson in love. It's just a lesson in love. Just a lesson in love. Just a lesson in love. It's just a lesson in love. Lesson in love, y'all. Just a lesson in love, y'all.